In the coming decades, the automotive landscape is set to undergo a remarkable transformation. Experts predict that smarter connectivity will pave the way for vehicles that communicate with each other, enhancing safety and efficiency on the roads. Meanwhile, sustainability is becoming a focal point, with advancements in electric and hydrogen-powered vehicles leading the charge towards eco-friendly travel. Autonomous driving technologies, once a dream, are rapidly becoming reality, promising to reduce accidents and redefine our relationship with car travel. However, as we drive into this futuristic vision, challenges such as data security and infrastructure upgrades remain critical conversations. Embracing these innovations could revolutionize personal transport and shape a greener planet.